Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to walk you through how to disconnect Pancakeswap from your Bitget wallet. Disconnecting Pancakeswap from your Bitget wallet is a good security practice. First of all, just notice some decentralized applications like the apps like Pancakeswap may have a disconnect button or option within their interface. If you see your wallet address displayed on Pancakeswap, there might be a drop-down menu or setting icon next to it. Check there for a disconnect option. Now, when you connect to Pancakeswap, it often uses the Wallet Connect protocol. So you need to open your Bitget wallet app, look for a Wallet Connect or connection section within the app settings or feature. Now, it's often represented by a chain link icon. In this section, you should see a list of your active Wallet Connect sessions. Find the Pancakeswap connection and tap the disconnect or queue session button. This will terminate the connection between your wallet and the app. If you use the Bitget wallet, the app browser, clearing the browser cache and cookies can also help ensure that any lingering connection data is removed. Here are some important things to note. Regularly disconnecting your wallet from the apps is a good security practice to prevent unauthorized access. Always double check that you're disconnecting from the correct app. Disconnecting does not incur network fees. It's a function that occurs within the wallet and the app. Sometimes just closing the browser window or app will disconnect the wallet, but using the disconnect functions are the most secure way to do so. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks for watching.